Hello, boys and girls. It's time for Fundations. Today we're working on Unit 1, Week 2, Day 1. We'll be working on read, writing, and spelling words with consonant blends and digraphs. And we're also going to be looking at the sound of K. Now you notice, boys and girls, I did not say the letter K. I said the sound K, because both the letter C, as in C, cat, K, make that sound, as well as K, kite, K, makes that sound. And it's the same sound that you hear in CK, sock, K. It's the same sound on all three. Now, what's interesting about this, boys and girls, is that the letters CK, the digraph CK, is only found at the end of a word or syllable that has a short vowel. And then the letters K and the letter C can be used at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word. All right, so let's go over our digraph sounds. Echo me. WH, whistle, wha. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. K, kite, k. C, cat, k. Now you notice, boys and girls, when I made the k sound, I did not say ka, I say k. You don't want to stick that on the end of the k sound. All right, so let's start off with some words. Our first word, the word of the day that we're going to look at is, and I'm going to let you take a look at it. Make that sound. We have a blend. Short O says ah. And here's the final sound. You got it? Get ready. What's the word, class? Flock. All right, so let's look at this word, flock. We already said that it has the short O. It has a consonant blend at the beginning, so I'm going to underline each letter. It has a digraph, CK. I'm sorry, we don't circle those. What was I thinking? You have to underline the CK. Mistakes happen. And it is a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound that ends with one consonant sound. And so it is a closed syllable word. I saw a flock of birds flying in the sky. All right, our next word. Take a look. Here we go. Sound it out in your brain until I have it. Here's the first letter. Got it? Here's the next letter. This letter says A. Here's the next one. And here's the final letter. You ready? Hands up when you know. And what's the word, class? Task. That is correct. Now the word task, you'll notice it has a short vowel. And it actually has a blend here at the end, SK. And you hear the K sound by itself at the end, but it's in a blend. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound, and it ends in a consonant blend, so it is a closed syllable. Okay, now let's take a look at the last word. Here's the first sound. Do it in your brain, please. Here's the second sound, short vowel of and here's the last one. What's the word? Cup. That's correct. Okay, so we know we have a short vowel. We know that we have a consonant, vowel, consonant, so that is a closed syllable. You notice the letter C makes the same sound in cup that you hear at the end of task and at the end of flock. It's the same sound. All right, so let's go through and tap these words out. Elbows up. We're going to start with flock. Ready? Tap it. Flock. Flock. Next word. Echo me. Task. Elbows up. Task. Ask. Task. Next word. Echo me. Cup. Up. Cup. All right, let's read the words. Get ready. Read. Flock, task, cup. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, now let's move on to practicing some words. You'll need either your magnetic letters or you need your whiteboard and marker, whichever your teacher says that you need to have. All right, first word. Echo me. Shack. I keep the tools in a shack in the backyard. Elbows up, shack, shack, shack. All right, how would we spell this word? Well, we have a digraph at the beginning. Shh. What's the vowel sound, class? Letter A, and how does it end? K. That's right, shack. Now, let's go ahead and mark it. We have a digraph at the beginning. Oh, and we have a digraph at the end as well. You have a short vowel, and since it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound and it ends with a consonant digraph, it is a closed syllable word. All right, show me your boards. All right. Next word. Erase or put your letters back. Okay, here's the next word. Echo me. Crash. Elbows up. Crash. K-r-a-sh. Crash. All right, let's spell the word. What does it begin with? K. What do you think? A K or a C? We know it can't be CK. What should we try? We'll try a C. A. That would be an A. Sh. That would be SH. All right. What's the word, class? Crash. All right. So let's go through and mark it. We know we have a digraph here and a short vowel. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound in the middle. It ends with a consonant digraph, one sound. And so we know that it is a closed syllable word. Excellent job. All right, next word. Here we go. Echo me. Kept. I kept my books in the tub. I kept my books in my tub. Elbows up. Kept. Kept. Okay, now it starts with a K sound. Well, we could do C or we could do K. What do you think? Let's try K. Now, kept is the past tense of the word keep. Keep means you're doing something right now. Kept means you've done it in the past. So, that would be the short E. P, t. There we go. Kept. This has a blend on the end that's a little tricky. We don't have PT very often, but it is a consonant blend. So let's go ahead and mark it. We have a short vowel. It's a one-syllable word. It ends with a consonant blend, and it is closed. All right, next word. Okay, echo me. Skim. Elbows up. Skim. Skim. I had to skim the ice off the top. Skim. All right, that means you take something that's very thin off the top. All right, so here we go. Skim. It's going to start with the letter S. K. Well, it could be a C, could be a K. What should we try? We'll try the K. M. And the final sound is the letter M. I'll move that out of the way. And we have the word skim. All right, so let's go ahead and mark it. We know we have a short vowel, that's an I. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound, and it has a final consonant, so it is a closed. You notice this has the consonant blend SK, so we have to underline that as well. SK. All right, let's do another word. Here we go. We have 2 words left to do. Okay, here's the next word. Echo me. Sick. Elbows up. Sick. Sick. All right, now this time you go ahead and try to spell the word. Boards up when you have it done. Okay, ready? All right, starts with that S sound. That would be the letter I. And which of the digraphs will we do at the end? Well, we know that if it's the one-syllable word and it ends with K, it could end with CK, and this word does. There we go. Sick. I hope none of you are feeling sick. Let's go ahead and mark it. It has a short vowel word, or short vowel. It has a digraph at the end, and one-syllable word, and it is closed. Okay, last word now. Here we go. I'm going to say the word, and you're going to spell it on your own. Here we go. Echo me. Thick. I had a thick piece of pie for supper. Thick. Elbows up. Tap it. Thick. Thick. Write the word. All right, here we go. Tell me what it begins with. And the vowel sound is a short I. And the ending sound, we know that if it ends with a one-syllable word with a short vowel, it ends with CK. And there we go. There's the word thick. So we're going to underline our digraphs. Short vowel. Scoop it, because it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound that ends with one sound with a digraph consonant. So it is closed. Okay, let's go through and read the words. Echo me. Shack, crash, kept, skim, sick, thick. Okay, together read. Shack, crash, kept, skim, sick, thick. Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.